Hey Sri Gurudev. Good morning, dear children. I hope you are all safe by staying at home. Dear children, in this class we should be discussing about the understanding qualities of the revision classes. Okay, so dear children, must you want to be remember that is what are the means is a sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees S and sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is how many degrees children? 360 degrees. Yes or no? So for example, I am taking as a ABCD is a one of the quadrilateral. Okay, so there sum of the four angles will become is how many degrees will we get means is 360 degrees. Okay, so that is for this one is sum of the three angles of a triangle is 360 degrees. Okay, so then our first will becomes is here is how many sides are there children? So P, Q, R, S, T means is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sides are there children? 5 sides is there. Okay, so if you are having the 5 sides means is what we can call that means is it is a pentagon. Okay, so it is a pentagon. How many sides are there children? 5 sides. Yes or no? So next, what is the sum of the 5 angles of the pentagon? Means is it here will become says 540 we should be get. Okay, yes. So how we want to be find that is sum of the interior angles of a any type of the quadrilateral. Means is for example we are taking as a here is the sides and name for the base. Yes. So 4 sides means is okay. First I am taking the 3 that is a triangle and 4 means is quadrilateral. Next 5 means is pentagon. What does it come? Means pentagon. Okay, so 6 means is hexagon. What is the name? Hexagon. So 7 means is septagon. Yes, and 8 means is octagon. Yes, so 9 means is nonagon. And 10 means is decagon. Yes, 10 means is it what we can call the children? Decagon. Yes, so by taking this one will become is what are the interior angles of that is each figure we want to we know that is. Yes, so for that is means is this is the easiest way what you want to do that means is yes, so number of sides n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Yes, so this is a formula to find the sum of the interior angle of any type of the figure. Yes, so then will become is for example if you are taking as a triangle means is a how many sides are there children? 3 sides. Yes, so then 3 minus 2 how much you should be get the children? 1. So 1 into 180 will become is 180 degrees. Okay. Yes. So then quadrilateral means is 4 sides is there. Yes or no children? So that is a 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 into 180 will become is 360 degrees. Yes. Next pentagon. Pentagon means is there how many sides there children? Here is 5 sides. Yes or no? So that is a 5 minus 2 will become a 3. 3 into 180 is 540. Next, after is 6 sides hexagon. So that is a 6 minus 2 will become is 4. So 4 into 180. Yes. So 4 into 180 will become is 720. Yes. So next septagon means is a 7 sides. Yes or no children? So that is a 7 minus 2 5. So 5 into 180 means is how much is to get children? 900. Yes. So next is an octagon. Octagon will become 6. Yes. 8 sides is there. So 8 minus 2 6. 6 into 180. How much is to get children? That is 108. It means is 1080 degrees. So as well as 9. None of 1 is. So 9 means is 9 minus 2. 7. So 7 into 180. How much is to get the children? That is 126. It means is 1200 260 degrees. Okay, so next will become says 10. So decagon, that is 10 minus 2. Yes, dear children, we are going to the some of the problems now. Okay, so listen carefully. So here is what is given, that is find the number of sides of the regular polygon. Okay, regular polygon. So then whose interior angle measures as a 108 degrees. Okay, so each interior angle is mentioned here is. Yes. So how you want to know that is it is a each interior angle is means is he mentioned as a regular polygon, no, means is that all the sides must be there equal. Okay, so then we have to be find that is number of sides in the polygon. Yes or no children? So for the days solution will become says, so each interior angle is equals to, yes, so that is a 180 minus n minus 2 into 180 by n. Okay, so then this is the formula to find that is number of sides. Yes, so then will become says each interior angle is how much mentioned here is 108 degrees. So it's equals to n minus 2 by n into how many degrees is it children? 180. Yes, so n you have to take this side, that is 108 n is equals to n minus 2 into 180 now children. So here also have to be multiplied that now. Yes, so then what should we take the children? 108 n is equals to 180 n minus 2 into 180, 360 degrees. Yes or no children? So then at the time is 108 n you have to take this side is. Yes, so that is 108 n minus 180 n is equals to minus 360. Yes, 108 n minus 180 n is equals to minus 360. Okay, so then 108 minus 180 will become, so how much it should be there the children? Minus 72 n is equals to minus 360. Okay, so minus minus you have to do cancellation, that is n is equals to 360 by 72. Okay, so then if it will be cancelled, it will become 6. 12, 6 is 72, 12 3 is 36, 0. So 6 1 is 6, 5 is. So therefore n is equals to 5. Means is how many sides are there children in the figure is? 5 sides are there. Okay, so 5 sides are there means what we can call the children? Pentagon. Yes or no children? So then we are going to the one more problem now. Yes. So that is the interior angle of a regular polygon is 135 degrees. Okay. So then we have to be find that is number of sides. Okay. So then to find that the number of sides will become 6. Yes. So same process only here also, but this problem we should do a different way. Yes. So what does that mean is here is interior angle is given now. Yes or no children? Interior angle. Okay, so interior angle is how much is given children? That is 135 degrees. Yes or no children? So then at the same place, what should get the exterior angle children? Exterior angle. So exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 135. So then how much should get children? 180 minus 135 will become 6. Okay, so that is 45 degrees we should be get. Yes or no children? Then what are to find that is? Find the number of sides. Okay, so therefore number of sides is equals to number of sides of the polygon is equals to, yes, so 360 degrees by exterior angle. Okay, exterior angle. So then it becomes 360 degrees by exterior angle is how much is it? 45. Okay, so then you have to do cancellation with the 5 table, that is 5 9 z and 5 7 z 35, 5 2 z. So 9 1 z 9 8 z. So is equals to 8. How many sides are there children? 8 sides are there. Yes or no children? So then here is when we have to apply that means is if we didn't given a regular polygon. Okay, here is given as a regular polygon. Here is also given as a regular polygon, but what is the difference means is here we are applying as a exterior angle, here is we are applying as a interior angle. Okay, the children understood now? Understand about this concept. Regarding this class, if you are having any doubt, please contact to me. And what we are sending the homework and classwork must have to be complete within the time and send through WhatsApp to me. Thank you.